So how was today about the food craving that you had from time to time? What did you learn?
Well, I learned that my past 3 or 4 weeks where I felt like I've been a slave to my cravings for food was actually I'm actually not trapped by those decisions. There is a way for me to free my mind based upon how I was in the past. So I've just had a revisit to how powerful I am over temptations of food that is actually probably more enticing than what's available for me to these days. And I've been able to say no and walk away and still live my life and be present in the moment.
Very powerful, huh? Especially, what did you find? Where was this coming from? This, when I see food, then I need to try and test it. What did you find out?
I found out. I think that the main thing is the food was a way for me to deal with feeling like I'm a bit of a victim of what's going on around me. When I reconnected with my old self, where I was just I guess in a sense in charge of my life, I said no to the food quite easily. It was a split second decision.
Hmm. Rex, very powerful. You've been amazing, showing up, committed to this process because change is not hard. It just requires one to participate in it. Well done.
Thanks.